Want to learn the German alphabet quickly? Then I have a StudySmart tip just for you. It is called the E to A rule. So think of all the alphabets in the English language that have an E sound and convert that into A. So look at this. Take out the E sound and put in the A and make it be. Be. Likewise, look at this. Take out the E sound, add A, and this becomes say. Say. Again, do the same thing. This becomes day. Day. This is where the foundation of the rule begins. Now this, take out the E sound, it becomes A. A. This is gay. Gay. Now take out the E sound, add a hint of an H and the A sound, and this becomes pay. Pay. Likewise, take out the E sound, add a hint of an H with the A, and this becomes te. Te. Now look at this. This will not follow this rule because this has a special name and it is Fau. Fau. Follow and like for more German lessons.